Hello friends, welcome to the SM Astro channel. Let us learn about the significations of the Six of Diamond. It signifies a relationship trouble or a separation. It also signifies possessiveness, or possessiveness behavior or attitude, confusion, shy, quiet, timid. It can also signify adrenaline rush, an X-ray, MRI, nervous energy, promotion, financial responsibility, payment of debt, electricity, our expenses. It is mostly a science and technology card. So in a reading, it can always point towards technology and gadgets or any scientific things. It also signifies small gains, lack of communication, jealousy, bonus. It also signifies nervous system and nervousness.